Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in Kansas. Ah, Kansas, home to the Wizard of Oz. Now hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit Kansas's reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does Kansas recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does Kansas allow you to carry a gun without a permit? Yes, constitutional carry is legal in the state of Kansas. Does Kansas allow open carry of guns? Yes, permitless concealed carry is legal in Kansas for individuals over the age of 21 who are legally allowed to own a gun and have a concealed carry permit. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in Kansas? Kansas is what's referred to as a shall issue state. In shall issue states, applicants who meet the basic requirements set by the issuing authority are issued a permit, meaning the applicants cannot be denied a permit as long as they meet the criteria.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in Kansas? Yes, anyone who is legally allowed to possess a firearm and is at least 21 years of age may carry a concealed handgun in their vehicle. You must be 18 to transport an unloaded and secured firearm. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Kansas? Yes, you can carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in Kansas? Yes, you may carry a firearm in state or national parks and wildlife areas, but buildings in those parks are off limits. Check prior to going with the Kansas Parks and Recreation. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in Kansas? Yes, as long as you do not consume drugs or alcohol. Did you hear about the band Kansas getting arrested for kidnapping at the airport?
No.
They try to carry on my wayward son.
The Wizard of Oz takes on a whole new plot when you look at it from Toto's perspective.
How?
As much as Dorothy misses Kansas, Toto misses the rains down in Africa. How many states recognize my Kansas permit? 21 states recognize full reciprocity in Kansas, and 18 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in Kansas. Where can't I carry a concealed firearm in Kansas? Since this question varies from county to county, we recommend you check your local government's website and visit the Kansas Reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com for the most up-to-date information. What is the legal age for handgun purchase and a concealed carry permit in Kansas? The minimum age is 18 years old. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes, Kansas shares reciprocity with 37 additional states. Please refer to concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity map for more information.
Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in Kansas? There are no state laws regarding carrying guns in hotels. Your room is technically your domicile. You are allowed to carry or possess a firearm in your hotel room, but outside the room, you must check with the hotel prior to carrying on other hotel properties. Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Kansas? No, you have no duty to inform an officer that you are carrying. It's generally seen as good practice to inform the officer that you're a concealed carry licensee regardless of a request. This shows clear cooperation with the law. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in Kansas? No, no weapons allowed signs are not recognized in Kansas. Does Kansas have any red flag laws? Nope. There are no red flag laws in Kansas. Does Kansas state law define brandishing? There is no definition of brandishing in Kansas state law, but you may be charged with aggravated assault or assault with a deadly weapon if you knowingly make someone feel that bodily harm is imminent with your firearm. Does Kansas have laws regarding carrying a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? It is illegal to consume alcohol or drugs to the extent that you are unable to operate a firearm safely. Regardless, it's unsafe to consume alcohol or drugs when in possession of a firearm. I started taking fish out of Kansas City and bringing them into Kansas.
Why, Sam?
I'm just putting them out of their Missouri.
What do a jackknife semi in Ohio, a guy living in Alabama, and a tornado in Kansas have in common?
What?
They're all fixing to lose a trailer. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in Kansas with a concealed carry license? No, a Kansas concealed carry handgun license does not permit the carrying of weapons other than handguns. Is it legal to own a taser or a stun gun in Kansas? Yes, but you may own a taser gun or a stun gun in Kansas, but you may not bring them into a school. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in Kansas? Kansas has no restrictions in regard to chemical spray or pepper spray. Does Kansas have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? Kansas does not have a restriction on magazine size. Does Kansas have ammunition restrictions? Yes, you are not permitted to sell or possess plastic-coated handgun ammunition.
Does Kansas issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? No, Kansas only issues concealed carry permits to active military personnel stationed in Kansas, but it recognizes permits from all 50 states and Puerto Rico. Does Kansas allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? There is no public access to this information. Only law enforcement can use this data. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in Kansas? Kansas does not require a permit to purchase a firearm. Are background checks required for private gun sales in Kansas? No, but federal provisions still apply. Do handguns need to be registered in Kansas? There is no legal requirement to register firearms in Kansas. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in Kansas? The minimum age to possess and transport a handgun is 18.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.